Kambuni ya wendia wa macani guku bururi-ini KTDA ni gathiririe ikinya ria thirikari kugerera Ministry ya URIMI ria kwaramia thoko ya macani ma guku bururi-ini mabũrũri-inĩ ma Amerika, Ngeretha na China, makiuga ringikinyanira murimi wa macani no agunike na njira nene ta uria General Manager wa KTDA guku bururi-ini aratariria.
As an organization, our vision is to ensure that we are improving the lives of our farmers and that we are giving them a better return for the business that they do in tea. It's through clients like Ahmad Tea, who are very close to us, who are buying that tea, and they're buying that tea responsibly and ethically, and that is why, they extend, their hand into issues that our communities face as challenges.
Kulingana na KTDA, thoko ya macani ma guku bururi-ini ikoretwo iri ngunderu muno, undu uria utumite arimi makorwo mahatiririkite makiria.
The government actually and the ministry led by the CS Agriculture has been very active in searching for new markets. Developing a new market is not an overnight thing. It takes a little bit of time to be able to get new clients who have been sourcing tea elsewhere to be able to start sourcing your tea and probably either replace or start a new product line.
Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Ahmed Tea Laden ni ugite macani ma Kenya mari utiganu na mabũrũri mangi, akiuria kambuni ingi cia nja wa bũrũri igure macani ma guku bũrũri-ini.
This is the realities. We believe the consumer in Europe, in North America, they would want to buy product which meets fair living wage. I think their conscience will be clear. At the moment, they have no idea. So they just buy the product, which is cheap on the market. But if they are aware that they need to pay more, it's very easy. Because it's a little bit more. It's not too much more.
Akiaria ihinda ria kwamukira tabarira ya mai matheru iria thondeketwo ni KTDA, murutani munene wa thukuru wa Kaga ni agathiririe ikinya ria KTDA kuona ni amaninira thina wa mai.
Ni tukenete muno ta cukuru tondu to consider cukuru itu gatagati wa macukuru maria mangi thiini wa Rariri na thiini wa Kamba area ri actually ni tukenete muno. Matangi mau ni megututeithia muno ni tondu wa gwikira mai. Riu ni turahotire ku harvestirwo mai kuma mabati-ini, mai ma mbura, na ni turacoka tukahura mai kuma rui. Riu twina insufficient water ya ciana iria cie guku cukuru.
Murugamiriri wa KTDA akiuga mari na kigina kia milioni 300 cia kuhura njeki githomo, ugima wa mwiri na tabarira cia mai icigo-ini ciothe cia bũrũri kuria macani marimagwo niguo gucokia guoko kuri arimi. Ngĩgũithĩranĩria maria marahanĩka kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Njaũ ya Kĩnuthia.